So this is the next day. I'm not sure where to start from. I actually heard their plan. What are they going to do? They, I actually, I was sneaking and I actually got to hear their plan. I even asked for help to the owner. The owner said it is a lockdown. I cannot help you right now at the moment. I cannot come. So the main thing that I actually their plan has been to beat me and force me outside into the coronavirus. Even the way to lock me outside yesterday uh, outside, and in this coronavirus situation I have to request him a lot of times. Then he opened the door, and it has been going. The situations are growing more and more every day. And I asked the owner that do please do something because these things are going too much. And now I got to hear their plan, and they were discussing more of the plan. And they were just I mean, like the weirdo were uh, throwing all sorts of bad things about me to the delivery guy, so that the delivery guy supports him and beats me. And he was just creating all sorts of nonsense, like with all sorts of lies. Like I after going to the washroom, I keep the door open, and I don't flush the toilet. I throw rice everywhere in the hostel. These are all the lies. Actually, I pour all the rice liquid or everything into the washroom and flush it, because I know that he is going to do that. For that reason I do that. I could not even get sleep yesterday night because these are going too much. I locked myself in another room. This is not my room. I locked myself in another room because I cannot trust anyone right now. And even he also said that I roam around in the hostel in underwear, which is totally not true, because no one knows what kind of underwear I wear. Let me show you what they are saying as underwear. So this is a sport. These are cottons. This is a sport tight that I wear, and they are saying that uh, Ian is a disgusting person and he roams around in underwear, and they are calling this as an underwear. And what I got to hear from them is that they are planning to throw me outside in this coronavirus. Probably they are after this property or something. I'm not sure, but what I came to know is that I'm from a different region. I'm not a Marathi person from Maharashtra. For that reason, he is going after me, and he is actually a weirdo. He follows me everywhere, tries to hear me what I'm talking in the on my mobile phone. He will sneak behind me. He will follow me. Even in the previous video, he just came into the video. He just keeps on tracking with me. He stands in front of the washroom. What I'm doing inside the washroom. He tries to listen. He will follow me. He will just create all sorts of nonsense. He will attach all sorts of nonsense to create a fight scene with me. There will be a video also over there, like in the third attached video of it will be attached on this video. You will see that I opened the door because I need the sunlight to come inside. I was playing the video game on my mobile phone. He came and suddenly shut the door. Then I told him, okay, when you go, just please open the door. And he will say, once you say close the door, once you you say open the door. What is this? I told him that I haven't said anything to you, neither to open nor to close the door. To close the door, sir, that's why I'm saying just open the door. And he's saying, no, I will not open because you create a you are such a you have such a mental problem. He will he will create such intense moment that it will create a fight. It is intentional. They even asked me like, are you a Muslim person? Why do you look like a Muslim person? Do you live like a Muslim person? Do you eat like the Muslim person? Why your name is like the Muslim person? So it is totally clear that it is a racism thing. And I, India is actually a racist country. It's extremely a racist country, and it is just too much that I have been facing this sort of thing. I came here for my sport training, and I got locked down inside over here. And they're saying that he's the criminal. He's kind of a disgusting person. Who will never leave this hostel. And what does the mean? What do they mean by that? I'm paying the rent to stay over here, and what is his problem? I don't know. And he's saying that you are a Muslim person. And what is this sort of racism? India is extremely racist country. I forgot to mention that I'm actually a Hindu person. Just because I came from a region where the Muslim community are much more higher than the other communities, it even if I am a Muslim person, then I haven't done any kind of criminal activity. It is the Hindu people who is doing the criminal activity, who is after the domestic violence. So they are the people who is doing that. And I forgot to mention that I'm a Hindu person, and just because I came from a Muslim region, it doesn't mean that I'm a Muslim. Even though if I'm Muslim, it doesn't matter. They are the people who are creating this sort of nonsense, and they are the people who is creating the violence.
नहीं, आपको तो कुछ करने को बोला ही तो नहीं, आप बंद क्यों किया? आपका
मेंटल प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
तेरा प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
मैं तो कुछ
तो
बोल,
अपने रूम में जाके बैठ जाना फिर, नहीं तो वहाँ
आपको तो कुछ बोला ही तो
यहाँ
नहीं।
बैठा क्यों तू?
तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
दिमाग खराब, दरवाजा खोल दे, बंद कर दे।
आपको बोला तो नहीं, कुछ खोलने को नहीं बोला, बंद करने को भी नहीं बोला। आपको आप बंद किया इसलिए बोला खोल दीजिएगा।